So Motorola has finally announced the launch date of its flagship Motorola Edge Plus, and the phone is set to launch on April 22nd, which means just a week is now left for the official launch. Motorola posted a teaser on its Twitter page that revealed the launch date, but it did not reveal the name of the phone. Still, we do know that it is indeed the Motorola Edge Plus because the teaser shows a phone with a waterfall display, something that is the main USP of the Motorola Edge Plus. Moreover, Motorola clearly mentioned that this upcoming phone is a flagship. Now, while Motorola did not reveal if there would be multiple phone launches, we are also expecting the launch of Motorola Edge to take place alongside the Motorola Edge Plus. In case you don't know, the Motorola Edge is a mid-range phone. We already know a lot about both the Motorola Edge as well as the Motorola Edge Plus, so all that is left to know now is the pricing. The Motorola Edge has a 90Hz OLED waterfall display, Snapdragon 765G SoC, a triple camera setup on the back that includes a primary 64 megapixel camera, a secondary 16 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a third 8 megapixel telephoto camera. There is a punch hole design, so the 25 megapixel selfie camera is placed in a punch hole cutout. Finally, there is a 4500 mAh battery, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. The Motorola Edge Plus is the first Motorola flagship in more than a year, and it is coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC. The design is also nice, as we have already seen in the official press renders. It has a 6.67-inch Full-HD Plus OLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and a punch hole cutout that has a 25 megapixel selfie camera in it. It is also the first Motorola phone to have a 108 megapixel camera. The 108 megapixel camera is paired with a 16 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera and a 8 megapixel telephoto camera. That's not it. There is also a huge 5170 mAh battery inside and up to 12GB RAM. Despite the fact that it is a flagship from Motorola, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack as well, something that we don't see on flagships these days. Well, on paper the Motorola Edge Plus is an impressive flagship from Motorola, but in the end it will all come down to the pricing. Let us see at what price Motorola is going to launch this device. What is your guess? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.